Capital One versus Bosquetti, 2501643.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Tiffany Palmer on behalf of plaintiff P number 74809 for the record.
Morning. Mr. Bosquetti, how are you? Your name, sir?
David Bosquet.
Good morning. I'm sorry I mispronounced your name. Give me 1 second here. I want to pull up. Your motion. Okay, so I didn't understand that. It was something to the effect, misunderstood rules or something like that. And then we were scammed by Publishers Clearinghouse. Is that what you said, sir?
Yes.
How are you scammed by Publishers Clearinghouse?
Said that you had won a prize.
We won a prize.
I know, but how does that relieve you from this debt? What does that have to do with anything here? Why didn't you answer the complaint? And do you have a defense to this?
Am I allowed to help talk?
Who are you?
A friend from church.
No, I'm sorry, ma'am. I wish I could let you help,
That's okay.
but I just can't. You're not a lawyer, and I cannot allow somebody who's not a lawyer to practice law. Sir, is this your debt here?
No.
What do you mean, no? You didn't take out a credit card with Capital One?
You have a credit card with that.
Wait a second. Let's slow down here, folks. Now, ma'am, are you Mr. Busquets' wife?
I am.
Okay, but you're not a party here. Okay? They didn't sue you. So I can't allow you to help him, talk to him, represent him. I'm going to make sure he understands everything here. All right? They think you owe them $10,180.58. Now you're in a courtroom. You can't tell me, no, that isn't my card unless it isn't your card. You can't talk. Wait a minute. Your friend can't help you. Your wife can't help you. I mean, no disrespect, sir. I'm going to make sure that you understand everything, but you cannot confer with other people here. If they were in the courtroom, I wouldn't allow them near you by the podium here. We're doing this because we're trying to be nice, and we want people to be, I guess, we want people to have more convenient access to the courts. I want you to listen to my question. I want you to not talk to your wife or your friend and answer this question. Did you take out a credit card with Capital One? Yes or no?
No, I did not.
You never used a Capital One credit card?
No, sir.
It's got your name all over these documents here. You don't have to sign a application if you get the credit card and you start to use it and you don't pay on it. Then you're on the hook for the money. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Give me 1 second. I don't know what the Publishers Clearinghouse, look, you didn't answer the complaint on time, and you don't seem to have a defense. You're writing the court administrator, I see here, and you're saying, I don't know what the charges are for. I did buy, you said 3 pairs of pajamas or something like that. What'd you say here? Give me 1 second. It would have been helpful if items purchased were listed, including the date of purchase. That may help to determine if there were any fraudulent purchases. I do recall buying pajamas, 3 pairs of Dockers slacks, 2 pair of denim pants, and a light jacket. My wife and I are 83, have been scammed by Publishers Clearinghouse. We struggle to pay the debt this caused with our Social Security, with our SSA and pensions. Did you make a police report? Who scammed you? You can't just say Publishers Clearinghouse. Who scammed you, sir? Sir, are you listening? Listen to me. Who scammed you? And how did they scam you?
Publishers Clearinghouse.
I know, what'd they do? Talk to me, sir. You got to talk to me. Don't talk to your wife. Sir, you have to talk to me. Please talk to me.
I didn't have to have the money at the time, and I was a little bit late, but I did pay for it.
Pay for what?
Those pajamas, I guess.
How did Publishers Clearinghouse scam you? Did you make a police report? Sir, you got to talk to me, please. I got all these people waiting. I can be patient, but I don't want to keep them waiting. Would you please talk to me and tell me how Publishers Clearinghouse scammed you, and did you make a police report? Man, sir, are you capable of driving? Do you drive a car?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you drive up to the courthouse? You live right half a mile, 3/4 of a mile from here. Do you mind doing that? Will you do that for me, or is that going to trouble you some way? Mr. Bosquet, you got to talk to me, sir. We got to talk. I feel like you got to help me out here. Can you drive up to the courthouse?
Yes, I did.
No, can you now drive up to the courthouse? You can't be more than 4 minutes away. You live on Jackson and Trenton still, right?
Yes, I did drive in.
Who is the woman, the friend here? Listen to me. Tell me your name.
Holly Tiss.
Spell your last name.
It's Thisse. They are at my house right now. They're not at their house. They don't have internet.
Where's their house?
Their house is in Trenton,
Where's your house?
in Woodhaven.
How far are you from the courthouse?
Probably 6 minutes if I don't hit the train.
Are you just friends with them? Or are you related to one of them or not?
My husband is related to them.
How?
David's wife, Sally, and my husband's grandfather are cousins.
Okay, I need him to talk to me. He's not talking to me.
He has dementia.
Yeah, see, that's what I was worried about.
Yes.
That's why, okay, I got it.
We can drive over.
Does Mrs. It
No.
looks like he owes this debt. I'm just trying to figure out if somebody scammed them, and if they did, I want them prosecuted.
I'm beginning to think that the issue was the dementia and not the scam with this particular debt.
Yeah. All right, why don't you drive them up here? Can you do that? You got a valid license?
Yes. Yep. I'll do that right now.
Just be careful, okay, Miss Palmer?
Okay.
You can do what you're gonna do and then come back in 20 minutes or so, or half an hour.
Do you
Okay.
want me to come up there, Your Honor?
You don't have to come up here. I'm just saying you can Zoom. No,
Okay,
but I'm just trying to say you don't have to wait and listen to me go on with everything else. You can come back at 1:45, okay?
Okay.
Thanks,
Okay,
thanks.
thank you.
Come on up, folks. We'll try to handle this. I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Albert Allen Wellens, 24-837-204. Okay, let's take Capital One versus Biscuit, 2501643. There you go. Can you come up here, sir? I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle this. I'm not sure he's understanding everything, Ms. Palmer. Sir, you can have a seat right there. How you doing, Mr. Prescott?
I'm starting to wake up, sir.
Wake up? Yeah, I'd like to wake up. It's 10 to 11. But I've been up since 6, so that's okay. All right. Do you understand everything that's going on here?
Yes, sir.
Do you?
Yes.
Do you owe this debt?
Pardon me?
Okay, now listen, we're gonna correspond. I'm gonna keep my voice up nice and loud. Do you owe this debt to Capital One?
No, I don't. I never used their card.
But you didn't really deny it in this answer. You say I might have bought 3 pair of Dockers, 2 pair of pants, light jacket, and pajamas. Counsel, do you have any of these bills?
So we have,
Bills from Capital One?
yes, so we do have 12 months of statements, but it doesn't go back to the transactions he was making, but it does show the payments being made. So during that 12-month period.
Sheriff Povich, you have to take your head off, please. It's okay. So, all right, so it shows payments, but no transactions, purchase transactions.
No, we don't have back that far, no. Now, my understanding, and obviously, this information was elicited from the group when I was in the breakout room, but my understanding was the position about the Publishers Clearinghouse was that has put them in an insolvent situation where they do not have any money.
That's pretty clear, reading this.
Yeah,
And
that's-
as you know, you can't garnish or attach Social Security benefits.
right. And I did indirectly, obviously I'm not their attorney, but I did indirectly talk to them about the methods of collecting on a judgment. And I mean, a judgment is only a judgment. So,
Can't commingle your Social Security benefits with other funds and have them protected. Okay? If you're collecting Social Security and that's the only thing you have, as long as you don't commingle them, if you have them put in a separate bank account, they can't get at those. Okay?
I retired from Ford, after 39 years. And then I get that money from them, and then I get the security of the
I don't know what you want me to do, though. What do you want me to do here, Ms. Palmer? I got a motion for summary disposition. I've got a gentleman telling me this isn't his debt. I was told by somebody else that he's got.
I was notified, sir, can I start?
Absolutely.
I was I was called by the people in New York had called me and they said that if I work with them, they'll give me this, and it was $100,000. And a few other things like.
You know what? I wish I was a circuit judge and those characters came in front of me. I'd give them every single day I could. Every single day I could.
That was.
Just preying on elderly people, it just makes me want to stick the fat end of a ball bat down my throat.
This goes back to 2.5 years. I've worked in different areas and I had some things that I won.
Yeah, they
And
scammed
it
you.
was put up on a wall and the person that was.
Did you make a police report?
No, I did not.
Why not?
I thought that there was two.
Listen, I want you to listen to me in the back there. The wife of the relative of Mrs. Busquet. Do you have documentation to support any of this? Does he have documentation of any kind? I don't want you to answer by yelling here, but he needs to, if he has any documentation, I don't care how long it is, he needs to go to the police. Now, these are tough. You know, these guys are calling from Timbuktu. And they say that they're around the block. That just sickens me. I'm kind of at a loss, Ms. Palmer, I guess. I'd like to see you get some statements. You're saying they're not available at all?
no, we just don't have them. So since this
Well,
is.
let's get.
Okay.
Listen, I want everybody to listen. Can you understand me, sir? I want to make sure you understand me.
Yes.
I'm going to have the lawyer send you itemized statements of the bills that were incurred through your Capital One card, and maybe it'll refresh your recollection. Maybe when you look at those, you're going to see, yes, I bought the pajamas and the slacks and some other things that I remember. And yes, these are probably my charges, or maybe they're not. I can't grant your motion to set aside default. I really need an affidavit showing, a signed sworn affidavit showing that you have a defense. And you can't do that by just saying, I don't know if these are mine or not. I don't think they are. You got to be sure because you're signing under oath. Do you still have your pension coming in? Yes, right? Yes?
Yes.
So if you owe the debt, and I'm not saying you owe the debt, but if you owe the debt, maybe you can talk to Ms. Palmer about setting up an installment payment order that's agreeable to both of you. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to have her send those statements to you and you look them over and talk to whoever you need to talk to, and maybe it will refresh your recollection. Sometimes I go out and charge things and I forgot about it. And then when I look at the statement, it refreshes my recollection. And then I'm going to adjourn this for 3 or 4 weeks. Okay. He can hire a lawyer. That's probably the best. But then again, he's probably got no money to hire lawyers or not enough money to hire lawyers. Jennifer, give me an adjournment of I'm adjourning the motion to set aside default judgment. And you didn't really file a motion for summary on this. You just, so let's do it that way. But you need to have good cause for not answering the complaint and a meritorious defense that's set forth in an affidavit, which is a sworn statement. Okay? You have to sign in front of a notary. You could use somebody here. You could use them at a bank. Every bank has notaries. Let's adjourn it 4 weeks, Jennifer. Give me August. She's not out there. When is my civil date? How about August 26th? August 26th at 9 o'clock in the morning will be the motion to set aside default judgment. Okay? Are you understanding me? I'll try to explain it better if you don't. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. And I think you understand me, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. I wish you well. So,
Your Honor, may I interject? So
Yeah.
I'm gonna be at a conference on the 26th. I'm standing in, but I don't know if you want me to be present since I'm
I
not.
could care less.
You
You've
don't
been
know.
here. Why don't we make it a week later? Jennifer, do I have September 2nd as a civil day, right?
It is, yes, Your Honor.
At 9 o'clock in the morning, September
Oh,
2nd.
no, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I apologize. It's not, you have state. You switch back to state. It's September 8th you have.
Oh,
And
what time am I going to do it September 8th?
whatever time you'd like.
9 o'clock in the morning. September 8th at 9 in the morning. Okay, sir?
Yes.
And the defendant's gonna come in person. You want me to?
Yeah, will you come in person? Could somebody bring him again? And you send him those records as soon as you can. It'll probably refresh his recollection, okay?
Your Honor, do you have a preference on whether I come in person or not?
No, you can come by Zoom.
Okay.
It's a little harder sometimes with some, you know what I mean?
Yes. It's not a problem to come in person too, Your Honor.
I think it's just better for him to be here. All right, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Midland, who has a quick one? Does anybody have a quick one?
You're all set.